Hi, I'm Mark, a licensed electrotechnical officer, and this is my story of how UMTC helped shape not just my career at sea, but also my skills on land. At UMTC, I was trained in an environment that was safe, inclusive, and empowering. From day one, I learned more than just how to maintain ship system. I built confidence, discipline, and technical precision.
During sa akong bakasyon, ang akong nantiguhan sa UMTC, akong nagamit no diri sa pag-troubleshooting, ug pag-maintenance, ug bisan dagko pagkaayo nga mga trabahoon diri.
I trained in electrical maintenance, marine automations, safety systems, and diagnostics. UMTC started me with the basics and helped me master the skills needed to operate in high-stress, high-tech environment.
Sa UMTC, wala lang kung natabang nga makuha kong lisensya, no? But also, hatag na sila para mag-grow ko ug maayo ug maon sa panadin natin. Kanya, karon po, dili lang kung yano yan, but also a person nga tumok sa kinabuhi.
Whether I'm sailing the seas or helping out on shore, I'll always carry the knowledge and the values I gained from UMTC.